Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this OWALA 40-ounce tumbler with handle. So let's do an unboxing. Here's everything that comes in the box. We've got the straw that's attached on this side. We're going to pull the straw off, take the wrapping off. This is the Watermelon Breeze. It looks really nice. It's got their logo down here. Now what's nice about this is you can sip from here, or you can put the straw in. You got to be able to take the straw off of this little packaging right here. Now you can put the straw in and you can drink from a straw. Okay, so I've got some water in it and it is leak proof. So if it dumps over, you're not going to get water coming out around there. And again, let's take a look. Let's take the cap off. It's double wall insulated, holds a lot of water. We got an O-ring around there. Again, take that out and you can slide that. And there's an opening there to drink out of. Now, depending on where I start this, I can have this opening come over for a left-handed person, like that. Or if I start over here, the other way, I can have it for a right-handed person. But the straw always is in the middle. You're supposed to put the straw in and their little logo is supposed to be up. Measurements, 10.5 inches, about about 2 3/4 that way. About a 3-inch taper. You know, the handle sticks about 1 inch. About 4.5 inches that way. It feels really nice. Very well balanced. 4 inches. Yeah, that's just a really cool color. It's got their logo. It is BPA free. Now, it's not 100% leak proof. You will get some water coming out around the straw and stuff once in a while. Yeah, the handle looks like it's attached really well. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.